In this video, we'll see if, else, if, else using AND condition. This is the one, if, else, if, else using the AND condition. Why do we need AND operator inside this else, if, else condition? Let us see that. Now, in the previous video, if you remember, we have seen this conditions. If it is 0 to 34, we'll get us fail. If it is 35 to 60, we'll get a C grade and so on. Now, I'll just show you the code which is given here. That was the code which you have seen in the previous video. Now, if you observe here, there is nowhere given the value for the negative. What if the negative number comes? For example, here if the number comes as minus 90, okay, that's a negative number which comes by mistake. What is the output it will give? So let us see that. If I click on this step into, now it will keep on checking at every place whether the condition is satisfying or not, that is less than, that is minus 90. So finally what is happening is it executed the entire thing and finally it gave me as fail. But actually minus 90 is nowhere the number. So you should get as invalid number. You should not get as fail. So how do I overcome on that place? That is the first thing. Second thing is, instead of this number, if I put some ABC, let's say if I put as ABC and if I execute the code, what is the answer I'll get? I'll first delete this one. What is the answer I'll get it? So if I execute this step into using this step into option, okay, step into. Now if you observe, again I'm getting as A grade. If I put the answer, if I put the marks as ABC, I'm getting the answer as A grade, which is nowhere correct, right? So what is the solution for this? So the solution for this is another code using if, else, if, else using AND operator. So please observe here. So I'll just stop this. This is the code which I've written here. If you see here, yeah. Now I'll just move this. Now this is a bit detailed code. This is written as if range A2 dot value, that means A2 dot value is greater than 0, and I'm combining one more condition with this, and that is range A2 dot value is less than 35. So it should be greater than 0, and second thing is it should be less than 35. If both these conditions are satisfied, then give me the answer as fail, because greater than 0 and less than 35, it should get the answer as fail. If it is not done, then next is 35 greater than 35 and less than 60. What is the answer I am expecting is, I am expecting as C grade. So if you see, I am just copying the lines from here and pasting it in the coding manner. So if you see the first one, 0 to 34 should be given as fail. That is 0, and it is given as less than 34, that means 35 means 34. I should get the value as fail. 35 to 60, I should get C grade. So that is greater than equal to 35 and less than equal to 60, I should get a C grade. Similarly, 61 to 79, that is 61 and it should be less than 80, that means 79, I should get the answer as B grade. And the last one is given as 80 to 100, that means greater than equal to 80 and less than equal to 100, then the answer should be A grade. Now, what if I get something other? If there is something other than this, I should get his answer as invalid. Other means it can be negative numbers, special characters, or you can say as normal characters. So if anything else comes, so else range C2 dot value equal to invalid. So anything apart from this conditions, if I get, I should get the answer as invalid. So let us see that. I've put here as ABC. Okay, I've put here as ABC, and let us just see the answer. What I'll get is, I'll just click on this step into, and finally if you see, I'll get this it has come to this particular statement and it will be executed, and the answer I'll get as invalid. So it is working fine. What if I put the number as 65? So if I put the number as 65, will I get the answer correct? Because it comes into this B grade, 61 to 79 B grade. Now if I click on step into, you see this, it came to this particular place and it says as B grade. If I execute, it says B grade, which is absolutely correct. It's working fine. So I'll just stop this. Now I'll put the marks as negative, let's say minus 90. If I put the marks as minus 90, what is the answer expected? It doesn't fall under this 4 categories. It falls on the last category, that is other. So I should get the answer as invalid. So if I just execute all together, that is run, I have just executed, and if you see the answer I am getting as invalid, right? So I hope you have understood why we need this if, else with AND operator, because I want to be specific with my conditions, and when there are values which are not accepted like numbers, negative, that is negative numbers, special characters and characters, I should get the answer as invalid, which is thrown over here, right? So I hope you understood, and that's all for this video.